Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be my March Boxycharm unboxing. This just came in the mail. Now, I'm really excited to see what's inside this box because the last time I got Boxycharm was, I want to say, around like August or September of 2019, and I ended up canceling it because I just wasn't really that happy with the products that I got. But lately, with my Ipsies, my Ipsy Plus and Ultimates, I just haven't really been that happy with what I've been getting. So I'm like, you know what, let's switch it up. Let's try Boxycharm out again and see what happens with the products that I get this month. Now, I do plan on getting my regular $12 Ipsy. It just hasn't come yet, so that video will go up when I do receive that bag. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you guys would like to see what goodies are in March's Boxycharm, then just keep watching. If I remember correctly, the last time I got Boxycharm, the box was definitely not that big. Like, this box almost looked like it would be their, what is it called, Boxy Luxe. Like, look how big this box is, you guys. But anyways, that's just like something observational. It might just be with what's like inside, you know, that I received. They needed to use a bigger box. This is the card that the box comes with for March, and if you guys can see up close, down there by my finger, it says Pretty Edgy, so that's what that looks like. Right off the bat, the first product I'm a little shocked about. This is the Sutra Beauty Mini Ceramic Curling Iron. I got a curling iron? Like, what? This is awesome. So let me just read a little bit about it before I open it up and check it out. So it says, style your hair like a professional with this mini ceramic curling iron. The compact design is safe for all hair types and has a max temperature of 370. So I mean, that's fine. I know my flat iron and other curling irons might go up a little bit higher than that. So it also says, create gorgeous curls with ease and keep your hair healthy with even heat distribution and adjustable temperature control. So this retails for $50, so let's kind of slide this off and check this out. I like that it comes with this nice, it kind of like feels like felt, this little like traveling case if you want to bring it traveling. Also says that this is lavender, so they probably offered some other different colors as well, but I love the lavender for spring. So this is what it looks like. It's definitely small, travel friendly. Now for me, this would be, when I do my curls, my big loose curls, I think I use a 1-inch ceramic curling iron. This, according to this little sleeve that was on it, this is a 19 millimeter or 0.75. It seems smaller, to be honest, but so for me, what I would use this for, because I like bigger curls than this, I would maybe go in around my face, like to kind of frame my face where the hairs are a little bit smaller and I want to be a little bit more precise. This would be a good curling one because it's small and it's a little bit thinner. But for my whole head, I probably wouldn't use this, but I'm not saying that this wouldn't get used. But you know, it is nice. It's very lightweight, very small, very travel friendly. So yeah, I mean, I'll definitely have to try this out. Just for me personally, I don't usually have my curls go this small. I like to go a little bit bigger with my curling wands. But nonetheless, like, I'm still pretty shocked. My first item was a curling wand. So item number 2 is this Kat Von D Vegan Beauty Anti-Precision Liner. So I'm just going to read about it quickly. It says, your favorite anti-precision eyeliner is back. Get ready to rock smudgy, smoky, perfectly imperfect eye looks with anti-precision pencil. Our ultra black retractable jumbo pencil glides on creamy and provides plenty of playtime, so you can smoke out your look to your heart's desire. This retails for $19. Now, for me, I don't think this is something that I'm going to probably use. When it comes to eyeliners, I like felt tip eyeliners to, you know, line the top of my lid. And then if I'm going to line my inner waterline, I usually do it with a pencil, but a smaller, more precise pencil. This is jumbo. I mean, honestly, you know what though? I probably could still line my inner waterline with it. So no, this will get used. But I do like Kat Von D liners, especially her, you know, felt tip liquid liners, or just the felt tip liners, whatever you call them. They're really good. I think I got one of those in like a couple months ago in one of my Ipsies. But anyway, so this is what it looks like. As you guys can see, it's jumbo, but it's precise, so that's why I'm like, you know, I still could probably use this on my waterline. But anyways, nonetheless, Kat Von D products, especially when it comes to like the eye products, are really great. And the other reason too, you guys, why I decided to give Boxycharm another try is because with Ipsy lately, and I know this kind of sounds bad, but it's like the brand recognition. Right off the bat, I'm already getting like the brand recognition with some of these products. With Ipsy, it used to be like that, and lately I just feel like it hasn't. For like the Plus or the Ultimate, not for the regular. So I am liking that. Kat Von D is definitely one of those like high-end brands, prestigious brands. So product number 3 is this Boxycharm Hello Charmer palette. It says this exclusive Hello Charmer palette features a blend of 12 matte and shimmery shades made specifically with our charmers in mind. These highly pigmented colors deliver maximum payoff while providing smooth textures for transitional day to night looks, and this would retail for $39. So I'm super excited. This is a full-size eyeshadow palette, you guys. So I'm already impressed, and I did actually open this up because I wanted to check it out prior to filming. I did use one of the shades in here on my lid. Let me just remove this little film here. So this palette is absolutely stunning. It's definitely got some great colors. It's got shimmers, it's got mattes. So for an eyeshadow palette, that's something I look for, shimmers and mattes. I don't like all shimmers. So I did use, let's see here, I love the names, by the way. Some of these names are Boxycharm, Full Size, Exclusive, Spoiler, Luxe. What else we got? Unboxing, Sneak Peek, Premium, Swipe Up, Pop Up, and Cup of Joe. Like, I love those names. But this kind of almost like holographic pink peachy color, I don't know like how it's picking up on camera. As you guys can see right there, sorry it wasn't focusing. I put this on my lid today. It's really beautiful. It's just there was a little bit of fallout because it's super glittery, but that would be expected. You know, it's not like it really bothered me. I kind of like just brushed it off, but I do have it on my lids today. It's very nice. I almost probably should have just sprayed an eyeshadow brush, like wet it before and kind of like applied it that way. I probably would have had a little bit less fallout, but this kind of like shimmery pink holographic color is absolutely stunning. A lot of these, they're super pigmented. Let me just kind of like swatch one out for you guys. Let's do this Charmer color right here. Like, look at that. And I just want to like swatch it out on my hand. For a Boxycharm palette, like these are swatching out pretty good, you guys. Like, I'm super impressed. So the only thing, and it's weird because I feel like this is a problem I mentioned in other palettes, or the problem that I mentioned in other eyeshadow palettes is that they're all shimmers and there's no transition shade. That is not the case because this could be a transition shade, that could be a transition shade, and that possibly could be a transition shade. But do you guys see what they do not include in this palette? They don't have any browns, and I've never actually seen that in a palette before. Usually palettes will generally include like a lighter or a darker brown, and what I like to, I mean, I wouldn't really consider that a brown, it's more of like a dark tan color, but what I like to use browns for is to line my lower lash line, and I do that like all the time. So that's the only thing. I wouldn't be able to just bring this as one eyeshadow palette. I'd probably have to bring another one if I was traveling because there is no brown, but other than that, I would say this is definitely beautiful. So I just vaguely remembered when I signed up again, I probably didn't read everything, but I think they were including a free item because I signed up again. So because I don't see this on the card, because I was like so excited. I'm like, I got 2 eyeshadow palettes, like what? But this must have been like the extra special item that they threw in. So this is the Matte Spectrum eyeshadow palette by Zoeva. I kind of took it out of its sleeve already, but this I used a few shades so far of today, and this is a really nice palette, you guys, but again, it's the same thing. I'm shocked. There is no brown. So I would be able to use this as an eyeshadow palette, except when I wanted to apply a color to my lower lash line, I like to apply brown. There's no brown in here. So it's just like weird that these 2 palettes don't have browns, because usually it's pretty standard for like eyeshadow palettes to include brown. But nonetheless, these are all matte shades, but they're beautiful. So let me just remove that film. So for today's eyeshadow look, I used this color right here in my crease to kind of use as a transition shade, and then to kind of darken up my outer V, I use this red shade. I really like using like red or pinks to kind of darken up my outer V. So it's like a combination of both palettes. I don't know if it's like gonna pick up on camera, but that's kind of the look I came out with. Now in terms of blending, these went on fine. I had no issues with them. There wasn't really any fallout. I mean, granted, I only used 2 shades, and I am like kind of excited to play around with these like cooler shades, even though they're shades that definitely I wouldn't wear. They're not really neutral necessarily, but I am excited to play around with it. So this is a really nice like extra free item, like 2 eyeshadow palettes. I don't know what this, I could probably go online, I don't know what this retails for. So product number 4 is Becca's Ultimate Lip Definer. It says a high impact 8-hour lawnwear lip liner that effortlessly contours and defines the lips with the perfect balance of color and precision. The innovative dual end liner comes with a built-in sharpener and pout perfecting precision tool for effortless application and definition every time. So it says that this retails for $18. Again, Becca, it's one of those high-end prestigious brands. I love Becca's highlighters. I think that's probably, for Becca, it's their highlighters that I usually gravitate towards. So I think I have a blush by Becca too. So this is the shade Playful. So it is a red. Now, I don't really wear red at all. And I don't really wear lip liner, you guys, I know. So maybe I have to like kind of switch up my beauty preferences. I don't think I updated them from the time before. That's what it looks like right there. It's very beautiful packaging, by the way. I like the how it says Becca in gold. But that's what it looks like. Very precise, and it's obviously retractable. Just the shade for me. You know, I could save this around Christmas time. That's when I would maybe do a red, but other than that, I don't really wear red, and lately I just don't even do lip liners. I don't know, you guys. I'm not going to keep rambling on. So this is the Pout Perfecting Precision Tool. So I really like that if you want to kind of like clean up anything with lip liner especially, and this dark red shade. They do include this kind of precision cleanup precision tool, if you will. So I do really like that. I've never seen that on a lip liner before. Usually I'll just take a Q-tip. And let's see, it also says there is a sharpener. It's not in here. Let me just see. I think this pops off maybe, and then you can kind of sharpen it. Okay, so I think that's how it works. But the only thing is, if this is retractable, then why would you have to sharpen it? I don't know. That's kind of weird. But I guess if you know, because after a while when you use this, even though it's retractable, it's not going to be as pointed, so I understand maybe that's why. But nonetheless, I really like the features of this lip liner pencil. Not going to lie, it comes with this to clean up, and then it comes with a sharpener, so that's really nice, really cool. I wish like even like eyeliners, if they like came with like sharpeners on the ends of them. Last but not least is this Project Beauty Hairgurt Intense Repair Yogurt Hair Mask. It says, did someone call for a hair rescue? This moisturizing and repairing hair mask is made with yogurt protein, prebiotics, quinoa, our botanical oil blend, and shea butter to help repair and protect damaged, fragile, and brittle hair. Show your hair some care, and this retails for $10. So I just want to see, okay, so yeah, I'll have to give this a try. I'm always looking for like, you know, hair repair treatments, everything like that, hair masks. So like while I'm shaving in the shower, I can kind of like pop this on 5 to 10 minutes. I'll have to see how my hair feels afterwards. So I am excited to try this out, and it's definitely like a pretty good size. It's like a pretty full size bottle. So again, this is Project Beauty's Hairgurt Intense Yogurt Hair Mask. Kind of eyeballing all the prices of the items that I received minus the Zoeva eyeshadow palette. I believe this comes, if my math's correct, $136 is the total value of my box. So that's not bad. But even like the items that I got, I'm really impressed. You know, the lip liner, like I said, I probably could have did without that, but it is a really nice lip liner. I do like the features that it has. I'll have to kind of just like look at my beauty preferences and see what I have. But the eyeshadow palette, well, both of them in particular, I was really shocked to get like 2 eyeshadow palettes. And even for like an eyeshadow palette that was included, probably most everybody got this. I think that this is a great size, and I think it's really nice, you guys. So I would say I am pretty impressed with, and I got a curling one, by the way. I would say I'm definitely impressed with March's box, what I got. I think I'm definitely going to continue for next month and maybe skip Ipsy Plus and Ultimate. We'll see. It always changes like from month to month, but I don't think I'm going to cancel Boxycharm this month. I'm actually pretty impressed. Again, just with like Ipsy, I don't know, I just haven't really been that happy. Plus, you know, high-end brands, we've got Kat Von D, we've got Becca, Zoeva I've actually heard of before. I don't know exactly where it's sold, but I have heard of it. So yeah, I am pretty impressed overall with March's box. That is it for this video. Let me know in the comments down below, what did you guys get in your March Boxycharm? Are we box twins? Did you get similar products? Did you get completely different products? What did you think? I'd be curious to find out. But anyways, that is it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.